DIY upgrades for energy savings. Saving energy at home isn't just good for the planet, it's also a practical way to reduce your monthly expenses and make your living space more comfortable. With a few thoughtful DIY upgrades, you can improve efficiency without making huge investments. One of the simplest places to start is in your bathroom. Traditional shower heads use a significant amount of water, and heating that water takes energy. By installing a low-flow shower head, you can cut water use by up to 50%, reducing both your water bill and your energy costs. Most models are affordable and easy to install, often requiring nothing more than a wrench and plumber's tape. Over time, this small upgrade pays for itself many times over. Lighting is another key area for savings. If your home still uses incandescent or older compact fluorescent bulbs, consider switching to LEDs. LED bulbs use up to 75% less energy and can last 25 times longer than traditional bulbs. Beyond saving money, they produce less heat, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer months. They're available in a variety of brightness levels and color temperatures, making it easy to create the perfect atmosphere in any room. Heating and cooling often account for the largest share of a household's energy use. That's why smart thermostats and programmable timers can be such valuable tools. Smart thermostats learn your daily routines and adjust your home's temperature automatically to save energy when you're away or asleep. Many can be managed through smartphone apps, giving you full control even when you're not at home. Installing one of these devices is an investment that can significantly lower your utility bills over time. Natural light is another powerful resource. Using more daylight reduces the need for artificial lighting during daytime hours, which helps cut electricity use. Look for ways to optimize the placement of your furniture to allow light to flow through your space. Mirrors and reflective surfaces can help bounce sunlight deeper into rooms, brightening dark corners without flipping a switch. If your budget allows, adding larger windows or skylights can dramatically increase the amount of daylight in your home. Smaller upgrades around your home also play a crucial role. Sealing gaps and cracks around doors and windows prevents drafts, helping your heating and cooling systems work more efficiently. Adding insulation in your attic or walls is a highly effective way to reduce heat loss in winter and keep cool air inside during summer. These improvements may seem modest, but collectively they can add up to substantial savings in a more comfortable living environment. DIY upgrades don't have to be complicated or costly to make a real difference. By making smart changes, you can lower your energy consumption, reduce your bills, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Take the first step today and see how much your home and your budget can benefit.